Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just going to be doing just a short tutorial on the way that I do my eyebrows and the products that I use. So the first thing I'm going to show you is the 2-in-1 brush that I use with the spoolie on the end and the brush applicator that I use to dip into my pomade, which was in the shade Soft Brown. So here I'm just applying that pomade to my brow and building the product up to my liking color-wise. I don't like it too dark, but not too light. So I'm just building up right now. Then I go back in with my spoolie and just kind of smooth everything out and blend lightly in the front with the Access product from my spoolie. Next, I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn and using my flat brush to conceal the bottom and the top of my brow. This part you want to make sure you take your time because you don't want to get that concealer onto your eyebrow hairs. That kind of throws everything off. Then you have to go back and try to blend and mesh that back with the pomade. So now I'm just taking just a regular eyeshadow brush and just blending that concealer in. You want to make sure you blend that concealer in very well. Blend, blend, blend. And I'm going to do the same on the top of the brow. This gives it that more snatched, defined look. I'm not saying that it don't matter how you apply the pomade to your brow, but you don't have to make it as neat because that's when the concealer comes into play and it gives it that clean look that you all should be looking for. And as you can see, I'm just spooling it and making sure it's to my liking. Next, I like to go in with my Black Radiance pressed powder, and this is in the shade Chocolate, and just kind of take away that ghostly cast that the concealer gives me, and just blend it all in together so it won't look like I have a halo. So this concludes my tutorial. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.